kapatid, let me share to you this devotion. Nakikita natin sa Lamentation, chapter 3, verses 2 to 22 to 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for His compassions never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Dahil nga ang ating topic for this month is God's faithfulness. So, I want to share 3 things sa inyo. Una, God mercy preserve us. So, tayo ngayon, nakatayo tayo ngayon because of not our strength but God's mercy. We are standing in our feet. It's not dahil malakas tayo or something, but ito dahil sa grasya ng Panginoon. So, minsan pag nakakaranas tayo ng pagsubok, maaari can destroy us, maaari tayo ay manghina, but God's compassion gave us another chance dahil sa pagmamahal ng Panginoon, give us another chance. Bagaman nakakaranas tayo ng failure na talagang sumisira sa ating pagkatao, but God's compassion is always giving us another chance. So parang battery, di ba, cellphone natin, hindi lang araw-araw nag-charge ng cellphone, minsan 2 times, 3 times. Ganun din yung ating espiritu, kailangan din mag-charge sa Panginoon. Kaya kailangan hindi tayong laging babad sa salita ng Diyos araw-araw. Pangalawa, God's faithfulness is fresh every day. His mercy are new every morning. Meaning, He never runs out of grace. Hindi ko nauubusan ng grasya ang Panginoon. Kaya nga every morning, laging bago. Kaya nga, sinasabi lagi ng Panginoon, laging may pag-asa. Kaya po, yesterday's problem, don't cancel today's blessing. Kung may problema kahapon, mga pagsubok kahapon, it doesn't cancel the blessing of God's prepared today. So, kung ano yung kahapon, iba yun. Kaya nga, they are new every morning. So, kahit tayo ay naghihina pagbangon sa umaga, God is always prepared enough grace sa buong araw. So, ang Diyos lang ating kalakasan. Pangatlo, God's faithfulness give us hope for tomorrow. So, we can face the future with confidence because God does not change. Ang Panginoon po hindi nagbabago. Pagkamat tayo ay bago-bago, ang ating Panginoon ay hindi nagbabago. So, if He carried us through yesterday's storm, He can handle tomorrow's battle. Kung tayo dumaan kahapon sa matinding bagyo, God also can fight for us in tomorrow's battle. Ano man yung pagkadaan natin ngayon at bukas, kasama natin ang Panginoon. So, our hope is anchored in faithful God who never fails His promises. So, mga kapatid, no matter seasons we are in, let's hold on to this truth. God's mercy is enough, His faithfulness is unchanging, and His promises are sure. So, never po na hindi tinupad ang Panginoon na kanyang mga pangako. So, hindi tayo sa kanyang presensya at patuloy na magpalago tayo sa salita ng Diyos. So, sa Diyos lang po ang kapurihan.